On our first sea day on Arvia to Spain and France, Charlotte hid a golden pirate duck. The clues went live on Facebook, the hunt was on, but would anyone find it? And meanwhile, Charlotte went on another mission.
Right, this is the first sea day, and Charlotte is now going to hide the big duck for her treasure hunt. Come on, Charlotte. We're going to hide the big duck for your treasure hunt. And we're looking at, oh, I won't say the name of the place yet. Pancakes or cereal? Or both. It looks pretty similar to what we've had in the Keys.
You know what we should do next cruise?
What?
Bring a bottle of HP.
You like your
sauce.
HP, don't you?
Mm.
To be honest, that looks nicer than the extra we paid for on the Keel and Cow, for $2.50, that we shall soon see. We're going to hide the book. Do you want to hide it?
No, there's people coming.
Okay, just place it in there. Place it in there, quick. Now we'll very quickly should I hide that little tassel, do you think? So it's not even there. Have you hidden something?
Should we just sit down here and post the clues now? In the big duck, Charlotte. Is anybody going to find it?
The clues are out there.
Where are you going to hide one, Charlotte?
Shall I give you one to hide?
She's getting one.
Hmm?
She's getting one to hide.
Do you want to pick one to hide? Here we go. Which one are you going to hide? Thanks.
I love the size of that.
That's large. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think maybe we could share that. I could have had a medium. That's
A big cappuccino.
a big cappuccino. I'm going to say a taupe goodie bag.
Why does it do it tonight?
Celebration night tonight. Well, where do you want to hide it? Do you think that's a good hiding place? Do you really think that's a good hiding place, Charlotte?
No.
With the pirate duck safely hidden and the clues posted on Charlotte's Facebook page, the hunt was officially underway, but Charlotte wasn't finished with ducks just yet.
We'll do that and then you can hide a few more.
I think it's going to be found quite quickly, that one. Hiding ducks is exhausting work, so lunch at the quays it is. Good. Uh-oh. Charlotte's katsu chicken.
They do a roast in the buffet. It can be pork, it can be beef, turkey. That's a lot nicer in a frozen buffet than this was. So I'd recommend you have the roast in the frozen buffet.
Yeah.
And that is, it's bland, it wasn't seasoned.
So, it's the first sea day in our holiday, and we've come to watch Wavelength, which is a quiz show with a Ben Shepherd. I assume he's somewhere, but not here.
Good afternoon, Headliners Theatre. Please welcome to the stage your host and your entertainment manager. It is Neil Oliver!
All you need to do is be on each other's wavelength.
That's it, and that's what the top prize is, but there are other prizes available.
I'm going to say, on average...
So, we were expecting Ben Shepherd to be
Gentlemen, come and stand here.
virtually here,
What are you listening to?
but he's not.
Culture Club.
Oh, that was it.
Did a Boy George.
Okay.
Right, Charlotte's going to hide a duck. Okay. Right. She's got a gold one to hide. Do you want to hide that one? You're going to hide it in the phone? Where are you going to hide it? In the phone?
Fine.
Come on, you hide it. Come on. Come on. You're meant to hide it. Hide. No. Actually, it's a good place. Okay, put it down there if you want. Come on.
There you go.
You're hidden it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got a Mai Tai for me, passion fruit cocktail for Sam, and Charlotte has a Paradise Punch mocktail. And we're in the Keel and Cow at the moment.
We've received the news that the pirate duck has been found. So after a drink and some cookies on the balcony, it's time to deliver that goodie bag to the lucky winners. But who are they?